Hi. Ever looked for a great indoor activity when it's crummy outside? Well, this is the MD Sports ping pong table. It is great quality. It has a bunch of protective pads on the corner right here so you don't go bam and hurt yourself. Me and my brother used it a bunch of times. It's been over 2 years and it still kind of looks brand new. And I probably did 300 matches on this, and it is so good. I keep on using it every single time I play, and then when it's easy to fold up and put in storage.
Yeah, so it folds, so it has the rolling wheels which can lock, and it will fold up to just the size between here and here. And you can see the hinge here, it comes straight up in the air. And so it makes it very easy to move and to store when you are not playing. But we play with it all the time, so we just leave it open the whole time. Would you suggest getting this?
Yes, definitely.
Definitely, you think it would
Get it in
be...
stores today.
Get it today, okay.